Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the Master of Arts Political Science degree, and we will discuss about all the details of this course. And right now, before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. Obviously, this is right now you are enrolling in this course, so save these numbers for future purposes. Now, let us discuss about the course details. So first of all, in this degree, you can see this is a open distance learning course, and for this you can see here. So you can give exams from anywhere, and you need to give exam at your regional center. This is not a regional center. If you are on in your city, if any Ignou exam centers, so you can give at that center. So this is a 2 years course, and it is available in Hindi and English both. This is a so where is the description of master degree in political science? So there are lots of papers in which this is a 64 credit programs with compulsory and optional courses. The students has to take compulsory courses worth 32 credits in the first years. So while after completion of this course, you will get 64 credits program. In the first year, you will get 32 credits in the first year. After that, you will get 32 more credits in the second year. Eligibility of this course is bachelor's degrees from a recognized universities. If you have a bachelor's degree, you can do this course. Fee structure is 15,400 for year wise, and year wise means that you have to pay only 7,700 per year. In the first year you will pay 7,700, and the second year will also 7,700, and registration fee and development fee is the extra fees. Okay, for more information you can contact us, and so you can see the regional centers where you can go for these courses, and if you have these centers in your cities, so as well you can do this course at your center as well. So many centers are available in this, so you can check on the websites, and if you have other queries related to the anything, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.